What's up, crypto adventurers? Today we're exploring the amazing concept of liquidity pools and their impact on the future of decentralized finance, also known as DeFi. And I'll show you how to make money with this using a real example. Let's get into it. Picture a huge online stash of various cryptos, all managed by what's called a smart contract. These liquidity pools enable folks to swap various crypto tokens super fast, pulling right from the stash, bypassing the need for any intermediary to connect buyers and sellers. So what's the catch? Why deposit your crypto here? It's simple. There are incentives involved. Folks who lock their crypto in the pool, they're called liquidity providers, get a cut of the transaction costs and sometimes receive unique tokens known as LP tokens. These LP tokens have various uses within the DeFi space. Plus, when you're ready to pull out your original crypto, you simply exchange those LP tokens. Liquidity pools employ automated market makers, AMMs, that tweak prices on the fly based on how much is available. No order books, no middlemen needed. The whole system runs itself, paying out rewards to the providers who supply the liquidity. Let's check out a few pool varieties. First up, constant product pools, like those powering Uniswap. They maintain the balance between two tokens by altering prices according to availability. Then, stablecoin pools, like what Curve Finance offers. These are built to reduce slippage and fees when swapping stablecoins. And smart pools, via platforms like Balancer, allow creators to adjust pool parameters on the go. Next, lending pools. Think Aave. Let users collect interest or take out loans using their deposited assets. Lastly, algorithmic pools. These use complex formulas to automatically manage pool parameters. For traders, this means quicker trades and less slippage, so the price you see is closer to the price you get. No more waiting for order matching. For developers, liquidity pools enable building decentralized applications, DApps, by offering a decentralized source of liquidity. Okay, first, pick a platform. Uniswap, SushiSwap, or Curve are popular choices to begin with. Next, you need a crypto wallet, for instance, Phantom, to link up with the platform. From there, it's just choosing the tokens you want to pair and adding your funds. And you'll get LP tokens showing your share of the pool. So that's the lowdown on liquidity pools. They're fundamental to DeFi, allowing rapid decentralized exchanges. But if you really want to take full advantage of the system, you'll need your own token. There are a bunch of ways to launch one. Sites like pump.fund, but it's impossible to make money there because there are too many people. You need platforms that allow you to create your own contract. For example, this platform doesn't take a cut percent of sales or doesn't dump your token on dexes like pump.fund do. It allows you to list your token on dexes immediately and earn money. Let me walk you through the entire thing. First off, we got to decide on a name for our token. Go to Dex to check trends. Scrolling, I'll use Bang. Go back to site, put Bang as a name. Ticker, Bang. Now the logo, look at this. It's got an AI generator built in. Click once and perfect. Rocket flying to the moon. Totally fits the vibe. Okay, next up, the description. Once more, the AI tool helps out. Press the button and instant professional looking description for our coin. All right. The next bit is super important. Make sure to click Add Whale Address. This triggers sniper bots that are configured to mirror whale wallets to instantly buy your token. The button replaces your address in the metadata with the whale's address. Ensure these boxes are ticked: revoke mint authority, revoke freeze authority, and revoke metadata update rights. This means once deployed, no new tokens can be created. Trading can't be frozen by anyone else, except by us pulling liquidity, and the basic details are immutable. Vitally, it guarantees we maintain command over the liquidity pool. Let's mint our token now. Click this button, just here. Approve the transaction. Token generation complete. Let's grab this token address. We're going to need it very soon. And now the really cool step, getting our token onto a DEX. Navigate to PumpSwap. Here's where we'll pair our brand new token with Sol. Press deposit/create. That takes you to the pool setup screen. First, choose the base currency, Sol, which is typically pre-selected. Then in the second field, paste that token address we copied earlier. Found it. Bang. Our token. Select that. All right. How much of our token do we add? Let's commit most of it. Maybe 900 million from our total 1 billion supply. Leave a little dust behind. How much Sol to pair? This determines the starting price. You could even just start with 1 Sol or 0.5 Sol if you prefer. More SOL equals a higher initial market cap, so less SOL means lower. I'll drop 2.8 SOL in here. Looks ideal, but look, you can use whatever amount for liquidity. And keep in mind, the SOL isn't lost. It's totally secure because you are the owner of this pool. We can withdraw this liquidity, our starting SOL plus any SOL from any buyers, anytime we choose. That is the whole game plan. Quick check on everything. Bang, token quantity, 2.8 SOL. Looks correct. Click create pool, wallet confirmation again, confirm it. Pool is live. Awesome. Now the fun part. Let's view it on the charts. Back to Dex Screener, paste our Bang token address in the search bar there, press enter, and zap. There's our chart. Bang is officially trading. Look at that cluster of buys, getting some real volume now. People see the chart moving up, the whale creator. It's a perfect storm for FOMO. Yes! Look at that big green candle. Holy crap. Someone just aped it hard. This is wild. The chat on Dex Screener or Photon is probably going crazy right now. We created this little frenzy just by setting it up right. Unreal. Chart looks fantastic, and it's the same with every token. The market always works for us. Feels like the right moment to secure this profit. Our goal was a few $1,000, and it seems we definitely hit that mark. Check our position back on Pump Swap. We put in 2.8 SOL initially. Now it reads nearly 10.5 SOL. Nice. Way more SOL. Well, let's lock it down. Time to cash out. It clearly shows the SOL amount we'll receive, remove liquidity, or you can keep trading and growing your token. Liquidity withdrawn, now for the payout. Open the wallet and check it out. Look at that SOL amount. That's pure gain right there. Fantastic. Look, here's the address of my SOL wallet. You can go ahead and check everything on the blockchain. Every single transaction I've made is there. Began with only a bit of SOL for gas and 2.8 SOL for the pool. Walked away with 10.5 SOL. That's exactly how you want to do it. Thanks for tuning in. See you on the next adventure. Peace.